Hi, my name is Sergio, and today we are going to review how to create a class. But firstly, what is a class, right? Well, a class is comprised of selected users or students to take a specific lab at a specific time and to be monitored by a specific instructor. So let's get started. First thing that we need to do is to go to the menu that we have right here, then classes, then create a class. The SKU, I'm going to be using the same pattern as always. Class 01. The name is going to be Ubuntu class. Then the start date, let's put this one for Monday 3rd. And the end day is going to be Friday 7, right? So it's going to be a 1-week training. So the base location time, so in my case is Costa Rica because I'm located in Costa Rica. But you can change that information based on your location or based on the location of the students that are going to be taking the training, right? Then we have to enable the class. This one, pre-provision, is optional, but it's really good to have that one enabled. That will pre-provision everything for the students before they actually hit the start button, right? So it's going to be faster to load. In this case, max number of students, I'm going to be using 3 students. And the lab, we're going to be using the Ubuntu 101, the one that we have been working for all the videos. Now for students, let's select the students that we have right here. It's going to be a student. All of them. Instructor, it's going to be the instructor that I created before. I created all of these users before. Now for the owner, I would like to have the instructor as well. You can select yourself as a tenant admin, as the owner of the class. But in this case, it's better to have the instructor as the owner of the class, right? Because the instructor is going to be the one that is going to be managing the class, right? So let's create it. Now, this option right here, manage students and entitlements, that's something that you can use once the class started or if it is about to start. We are creating this in advance, right? Remember that the class is gonna start on Monday. Today is Friday 31st. So let's say that on Monday, maybe 1 hour before the class start, another student approach to you and say that he wants to take the class. So you can add or remove students from here, right? So we are not going to be touching this right now. This is something that you can do later on, right? So let's hit next and finish. Now we have the class and that's it. Pretty easy, right? Now on the video number 5 and last video from this playlist is going to be about the user interface and also the instructor interface. So we're going to see how it looks, the class for the instructor and also from the end user. All right. Thank you for watching.